Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to log out from a device on Discord using your PC, especially after the latest updates. So, let's get started. First things first, go ahead and open your Discord application. If you don't have it open already, just click on the Discord icon on your desktop or in your taskbar to launch it. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner where you'll see your username. Right next to it is a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on that gear icon to enter the settings. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the section labeled Devices. This is where you can manage the devices linked to your Discord account. Click on Devices, and you'll see a list of all the devices where you're logged in. Here comes the final step. If you want to log out of a specific device, simply find the delete icon next to the device you wish to log out from. It usually looks like a small trash can. Once you click on that delete icon, Discord will ask for your confirmation to log out of that device. Confirm your choice, and just like that, you're done. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. You can now keep your account secure by managing your devices effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Discord and other platforms. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.